This is Karen Ramsey. So glad to be with you today. I'm going to touch on my 4 favorites, or they are really tops for me, of raw vegan foods. And the first one is wild blueberries. Wild blueberries are not cultivated, so they are even more rich in nutrients that we need for the brain. And we always hear about how beneficial blueberries are for the brain. Even more importantly is wild blueberries. My son and I spent days hiking up at Harriman Park in New York, picking wild blueberries. Wild blueberries are beneficial for their vitamin C, their vitamin K, and many minerals such as manganese. So that's one that I love, and I put them in my green smoothies every day, wild blueberries. The second one is a fruit also, and it is papaya. Papaya is amazing. The only thing is that you need to make sure that you have a non-GMO variety of papaya. I always check up on the papaya that I buy. The papaya at Trader Joe's, which is Brooks Tropical, and those are non-GMO papaya. So those are the ones that we get easily locally here. Papaya is excellent for vitamin C, for vitamin E, and it also has a digestive enzyme called papain, which is why your digestion gets so good when you're eating papaya. So it's something that we like to get as often as we can. You also get minerals, calcium, magnesium, iron, potassium, and so much more from papaya. I also just love the way it looks. And you can get organic papaya from a company also called Martha's Best that is GMO-free papaya that comes directly from Jamaica. I love it when we get papaya at the annual Woodstock Fruit Festival. And the third one that I highly recommend is dandelion. And so I recommend all of the leafy greens, but I love dandelion, especially, first of all, because it tastes so amazing in my smoothie with a little mango and apple and dandelion. The fruit, especially the apple, cuts the bitterness of the dandelion, and it just tastes delicious in that. I even make an applesauce, a dandelion applesauce, which is in my recipe book, Raw Vegan Recipe Fun for Families, with loads of delicious recipes, 115 recipes. The benefits of dandelion are just huge amounts of vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin E, all of the B vitamins. Dandelion is promoted as excellent for liver health and kidney function. So it's a green that I definitely want to get in. If you do not put fertilizer on your lawn, you could even get the dandelions from your lawn and put those in your smoothie or in your salad. Now, I do want to say that you don't want to eat dandelion in powder form. You want to keep it in the whole food form. There have been many allergic reactions to an overdose of dandelion in the powder form. So keep it whole. My fourth raw vegan food that I highly recommend is walnuts. Walnuts historically are the oldest food coming from trees. And walnuts are really rich in so many nutrients. First, they are an excellent fat source. So, and even a handful of walnuts a day will make you feel satiated. And that's something that's really wonderful. And Harvard medical researchers did a study showing that just eating a small amount of walnuts every day, keeping you satiated, that it prevents food cravings and therefore is excellent for weight loss. Walnuts have the highest level of antioxidants in all of the nut family, and they are loaded with copper and magnesium and iron and potassium and zinc. And they are just wonderful, wonderful sources of omega-3 fatty acids. We need those omega-3 fatty acids for the brain. And did you ever look at walnuts and say, wow, walnuts even look like a brain? Get these 4 foods in, and they're great raw vegan foods. Walnuts, wild blueberries, papaya, and dandelion should definitely be part of your healthy, raw vegan lifestyle. If you'd like to join me here, you can subscribe. I will be putting out many YouTube videos in the days to come on many different topics on health and the raw vegan lifestyle. Join me here, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.